Hi, my name is Paulami and I'm going to be showing something really exciting today. You've guessed it by now from the title of the video, that is how to grow microgreens at home using Indian spices. So I'm going to show you 4 of these microgreens that I have been growing in the last several months, and maybe you can grow them too. These are absolutely sitting right now in your pantry, and you don't have to walk into a garden store and get some special equipment to grow them. So stay tuned and maybe you can grow your herbs as well. Hi, so I'm going to show you how to plant these seeds, and it's pretty easy, and I'm sure you would also succeed in getting them right. So I've got the red lentils here, I've got ajwain or carom seed, I have fenugreek seeds and the black mustard seeds here. So what I'm going to do is I've taken these tiny pots so that they start sprouting in them, and this is the best way to grow microgreens. And if you want them to grow into really big plants, you have to transfer them into bigger baskets or pots. So I have a little bit of soil that I will take for each of them. It filled till, if this is the total height, I filled it till here for all 4 of them. And now I will start. You have to spread these seeds and don't keep them concentrated at one of them. So I'm going to show you closer. So now that you've spread them around in the pot, you will actually take a little bit of the soil and cover it. That's it. Is actually take one of those spray cans and spray water, or just take a little bit of water and wet the soil so that they don't come out. Yeah, this process not every day, because it depends on where you're growing them. Over here it doesn't need water every day because it's not that warm outside. Depending on which part of the world you are in, just have to give enough water that the seeds settle in the soil. That's it. So I'm going to show you how they look like after 6 days and then after 12 days, hopefully. So wishing luck to myself. So this is day 5 of planting the mustard seeds, and they seem pretty big right now. They grow pretty quickly and almost looks full. And this is day 5 of growing fenugreek seeds. I think it's gonna take another 3 days for it to be filled up. It's been 5 days and I don't see anything as yet. The whole masoor dal, or the whole red lentils that were planted, and they have slowly started sprouting, as you can see. So you saw how the seeds had sprouted 6 days back, and this is after another 6 days. So I'm going to show you all of them. What I'm most excited about are these fenugreek leaves. Look beautiful because they have sprouted well. What I'm going to do is take out and place them in a bigger tub so that they grow even bigger than this. But I will also keep a few separate and sun dry them so that I can make kasuri methi. Let's move on to my another happy plants, that is mustard. So I had actually put them in 2 small tubs. So they're really tiny tubs, they're not big, so they're not going to grow into big mustard greens, but I have to now replay or put them into bigger tubs. So this is after 12 days and they've pretty much grown the height that they can in a small container like this. So I'm going to transfer them again into a bigger container. You can also use this as is, as micro herbs in your salad. They taste very good. Another plant that I'm excited about are these. These were regular carom seeds or ajwain. After 12 days they have grown into this size. Of course they should be given some more days before they grow a little bit bigger, and then I transfer them into a bigger container. Another exciting one are these lentils. This is how they've grown up. They'll grow even taller, but what you could do is just cut them, use them in your salad, and then these grow really fast. This is in 12 days they've grown really tall. They will grow till this length or this height, and this is very, very nutritious, high in protein and really tasty. I've been growing them very regularly for my salads, and they taste very good. If you liked watching the video and if you think this is useful, so don't forget to give me a like, a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. Till we see each other again with another video, take care, bye. Do share your micro herb story with me on Instagram or Facebook. The link is in the description.